Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. A lot going on here today. Train across the river, traffic on the road, right here on the Greenbrier River, just a couple miles outside of Hinton, West Virginia. Working on a travel trailer over here. The air conditioner's got a Coleman air conditioner, and sounds to me like they went home and they came back a couple days later and the air conditioner had been working fine, and then all of a sudden it's not working fine. It sounded to me like the compressor relay may be stuck on. I haven't even started on it yet. This is just going by her description. Sounds like the relay's stuck. So I don't know. We're gonna go in here and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. And I'm gonna take y'all along now. She's got three kids in here, three small kids, and TV's going. If it's too bad, I'll probably just cut all the audio out and I'll just voice over, and we'll see how it works out. But I'm gonna take y'all along, so y'all hang on. This could get bumpy. Yeah, that evaporator coil's pretty dirty. I'd say it may have been freezing up, but I don't know why the compressor would be stuck on.
Yeah, it hasn't done it though since I kicked the breaker and turned it on. That motor sound.
Yeah.
And the AC, like I said, it kicks on just fine. It reads the temperature just fine. It just doesn't blow cold air now.
Just blow cold air. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, a few things going on here. Hi. And I'll try and use this audio, and don't worry about the kids. Don't worry about it. Okay. If you don't mind, I don't mind.
Oh yeah, no, that's fine.
Yeah, I got a few things going on here. The coils are pretty dirty, so this thing might have frozen up on it, but I still don't understand why the compressor. Sounds like the compressor relay was stuck. Now she says it doesn't do that now, but it doesn't cool. So I got my clamp meter out. We're gonna fire this thing up, see if the compressor's coming on, and see how many amps it's pulling, and we'll be able to tell whether this thing has any Freon in it. Freon might have leaked out. Hard to say. So let me go up in here and find a purple wire, because I just know by experience that that's the compressor. Alright, let's turn this baby on. Well, the thermostat's just a little bit wonky too. Get around here and see. The compressor's even on. Compressor is on, pulling 10.2 amps. Alright, well, this thing ain't got no Freon in it, so there's nothing I can do here today. I was hoping it was a control issue. When she originally called and told me, what it was doing, I thought, oh great, it's a control issue. We got something to work with. Got parts. We can make it happen. Don't pay attention to them kids. They're fine. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. Nothing I can do. So they're probably going to get one of these portable air conditioners. I have a lot of customers use those things, and they do fantastic.